Hello and welcome to 194 Pressed Brick in Brampton, Ontario. This beautiful quad is located in a very nice part of Brampton, close to tons of amenities, including the Etobicoke Creek Trail, lots of parks, schools, tons of shopping, and so much more. Come take a look at this home, and I think you'll learn that it's the perfect one for you. After you. Once inside this gorgeous home, you'll notice that you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a wide open living and dining area with a gas fireplace, and in the kitchen you have brand new appliances, perfect for you making dinner for that nice family evening. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful home, just like you'll enjoy this gorgeous backyard with a natural gas barbecue, a nice deck, and beautifully landscaped. This home is something you should really come to see and enjoy for yourself. Just walking distance from parks, schools, recreation areas, and conservation areas, this home is perfect for that active lifestyle. In addition to parks and schools, this location is walking distance to shopping and all sorts of amenities for all of your household needs.